And hello student, my name is Ashok Srijala. In this session, we learn the sprintf function in file management in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process and yes, is open. So here open new file and that is our goal. Write a program to use of sprintf function in FM. FM means file management. So that is a syntax is that return data type is a integer and sprintf, and that is we can say that character asterisk and buffer we can give any name. So that is a pointer and then constant. Yes, that constant character and asterisk uh, format. Yes, so format. So that is we can say that FOR format. Yes, now and then again constant member. Yes, that is a constant. So we can say that constant member. So inbuilt we have to use. So that is a 3 argument and that pass. So that is a only that use how sprintf use in that in this session. So now I can start, but let us take first help we can also take in the syntax sprintf function. So look here that yes here. So send formatted output to a string, not a stream but string, and that is a syntax. Yes, you also provide, and there is a uh, character buffer, yes, constant character format, and then no, yes, bracket argument. So you can give any number of argument, and that is a same std standard input output. And now I can give the multi comment line for your reference, that is, and now we can start to our coding. So that how to use that function only this session we have to learn, and that is also we can use the math.h. Yes, math library we have to also include. So that one constant we have to use, and that is void main. And now we can declare, and that is we have to just character buffer. So we have to use as that string. So we can say that character buf buffer, and that assigned to like 20 character, and that is clear the screen. And then we can sprintf, yes, directly, yes, no any tab is required. So sprintf, first we can pass our string one dimensional array and in double quote that is formatted. So the pi value we have to print, the pi value is, and that is percentage f, that we can take one max m underscore pi, that is a constant. So you can look in that syntax. So character buffer, yes, here 1D array buffer is there. We can now give the name also buf buffer, and constant character format. So in double quote or message, the pi value is percentage f, and then constant member. So m underscore pi, that is a pi value is print, and that puts just we have to just puts and pass the buffer buf. So that is a taking that value and print. So let's check. Yes, very simple. So yes, I can save that file, and that is we can say that use of sprintf, but that not this function dot c. So maximum we can give the 8 characters. So yes, 4, yes, I think 4, yes, that 8. So 8 is complete. So now I can compile. So that is only one. Yes, what is okay buf, not but yes, that is right. So there is no any error, and our exe file is generated as printf function. So I can run. So yes, look, that is print as pi value. Yes, and here we can also restrict that at after two decimal points. So here dot 2f. Yes, you have to know very well. So dot 2f. After decimal, there is on two point is print. So that is a pi value. So 3.1415. So we can also take as a 4. Yes, that let us check 4.15. Yes, so 16, that is rounding. So that perfectly. So that is only use, yes, in that that function is a file management, and here m underscore pi, that is sprintf function. So you can pass one character constant, or we can say that a pointer. Yes, so you can also here take as a pointer. I can let us take that I can change static to const pointer. There is no any error, and as it is, but here that not print. So because that is a pointer, and that sometime internal creating problems, so we can better as a giving the static size to our array. So that is a perfectly buffer store. Yes, that all message and that pi value is print. So that is perfectly. So I can give the idea. You cannot use as a pointer. That sometimes that creating problem. And let us I take help again and m underscore pi. Yes, you can look, that is a constant inbuilt. So that is pi constant, and that is a math library. Yes, m underscore pi, that is a pi value. So here so many constant is there. So that is named as a common constant of pi value. So here we can use as a first our pi value. So you have to know maths, that is a that pi value use in mathematical, like that shape you have to know in geographic some uh, area or that height width, and that is we have to find out the pi value. So that formula is also. So yes, that I finish. Yes, very simple. I just explain how s printf function work in our that is we can say that in file management, but that is a max we have to just use as a function. So that is not actually, but here we can use as a character constant, and then pi value we have to print, and we can put s. Yes, so now I think no explain in detail, very simple. So here only one line is important, and here that syntax, so that is I have already explained, and also in help library that syntax is you can see. So now I can close that file. Yes, and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijalakani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.